Are you ready to progress your career and start conducting internal audits within your organisation? If this is you, then great, you've come to the right place. As an internal auditor, you can take advantage of your experience and help your business with continual improvement, or even becoming certified if that's the path that they're looking for. Your qualification from one of the internal auditor courses will give you a thorough understanding of how to conduct a successful internal audit. The internal audit courses are all combined with a discipline such as quality, environment, OH&S and HACCP, so you instantly build on this knowledge within a specific type of management system. As a bonus, graduates of an internal auditor course receive the advantage of our extended learning program. This provides you with a range of benefits and resources to keep you ahead in the industry. So come on over, join me as an internal auditor. It's a fantastic career. All the best and happy auditing.